Romeo and Juliet, Act 1, Scene 4, continued. Mercutio is delivering a speech about Queen Mab to Romeo and Benevolio. Her chariot is a hazelnut shell. It was made by a carpenter squirrel on an old grubworm. They've made wagons for the fairies as long as anyone can remember. In this royal wagon she rides every night through the brains of lovers and makes them dream about love. She rides over courtiers' knees and they dream about curtsying. She rides over lawyers' fingers and right away they dream about their fees. She rides over ladies' lips and they immediately dream of kisses. Queen Mab often puts blisters on their lips because their breath smells like candy, which makes her mad. Sometimes she rides over a courtier's lips and he dreams of making money off of someone. Sometimes she tickles a priest's nose with a tithe pig tails and he dreams of a large donation. Sometimes she rides over a soldier's neck, and he dreams of cutting the throats of foreign enemies, of breaking down walls, of ambushes, of Spanish swords, and of enormous cups of liquor. And then drums beat in his ear, and he wakes up. He's frightened, so he says a couple of prayers and goes back to sleep. She is the same Mab who tangles the hair in horses' manes at night, and makes the tangles hard in their dirty hairs, which brings bad luck if they're untangled. Mab is the old hag who gives false sex dreams to virgins and teaches them how to hold a lover and bear a child. She's the one. Enough, enough! Mercutio, be quiet. You're talking nonsense. True, I'm talking about dreams, which are the products of a brain that's doing nothing. Dreams are nothing but silly imagination as thin as air, and less predictable than the wind, which sometimes blows on the frozen north and then gets angry and blows south. The wind you're talking about is blowing us off our course. Dinner is over, and we're going to get there too late. I'm worried we'll get there too early. I have a feeling this party tonight will be the start of something bad, something that will end in my own death. But whoever's in charge of where my life's going can steer me wherever they want. Onward, lover boys. Benvolio, beat that drum. They march about the stage and exit.